Hi guys, welcome to ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to make hidden album on Redmi. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open gallery, then tap on albums, open albums. Good. Create a new album. Create an album or use one you already have. Open album, tap on three dots, select hide. Okay, good. You can view hidden albums here. Three dots, settings, view hidden album, unhide. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.